going on, guys? It's your boy zlowdre here today, and today we're gonna make a installing video. I finally got my TOMEI exhaust. This time I'm not gonna be like not recording everything like last video, but we're gonna show everything and then before and after revs and all that, flybys and all that. So it should be a cool video. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, because I'm gonna be going to crazy ass meets next week. Trust me. Alright guys, see you later. Alright guys, this is the TOMEI exhaust that I got. It's pretty. It's bigger than you guys think. Like honestly, in person it's pretty big. Look at this. Shout out to Jonathan.
Andree's house?
Alright, we're under the car and then got pretty fit, but
faggot ass stock.
gotta take it out from behind the white pipe and it's pretty much easy.
Hey fool, look right there.
Where?
What's that?
Where? Here?
Yeah, that's the little metal's like both like welded to something.
This. Oh, this. It comes off. My boy Jonathan over here.
Oh god.
What up, Sir Rock? Boy Rosie. The boy Little Dick over here.
Fuck you.
We got it off, so okay. Here. Alright, whoever wants this gasket, hit me out. This at least gives you 50 horsepower. Alright, now you gotta take this off.
Shut up.
I don't know what kind of pipe is that. What is that pipe? The fucking ricer pipe, whatever. You're a fag. Alright, we got the pipes done from the TOMEI. We just need the muffler. My boy's legs over here. Jonathan, what happened?
Fucking camera.
Trying to help you out, dog. Alright, we got the exhaust on. We're gonna give it some fucking rams. Alright guys, I changed to the GoPro. We're gonna do some accelerations so you guys can hear it. And my boy Jonathan's gonna go outside right now and give you guys like how it sounds from the outside. We fucked up, we left it too high and left the bumper on it. No!
Why are you pointing at that?
Where's that, baby? Look at
The tricycle.
Alright guys, we got the TOMEI installed already and everything. I was gonna give it a quick wash and then give you guys a few revs again, and then I'm just gonna end this video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This TOMEI sounds freaking way, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, let me just wash my car really fast and then yeah, we'll see right now.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. That I changed straight from the dog shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Calling, calling, calling. I'm calling, 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 calling. Shit, yeah.
Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Fucking follow Jonathan. I'll leave his Instagram on the bottom right now. Guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I installed the TOMEI, and next week I'll be going to crazy ass music again. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed. I'll catch you guys later. Late.
The E versus HR, dog!
Is that a Tommy dog?